Ndomeneri-inĩ ya hamwe ya ikundi cia gũtetera mũingĩ rungu rwa ibũri rĩa uchaguzi platform mahinyĩrĩirie bata wa gũcokereria kwa mĩbango ya mĩario ya ũiguano mũrũgamo ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ atongoria a ndini.
We reiterate the importance of the talks and the need for our leaders to exercise patience, soberness, selflessness that is needed to resume and see through the talks. We also wish to emphasize the need for the talks to go beyond political interests and genuinely encompass the diverse concerns and aspirations of all Kenyan citizens.
We want to ask Mheshimiwa Raila to call off the demonstrations unconditionally and to pursue alternative means. Key of them is dialogue. Where Kenya is at a point of make or break. The president has to remember that he is the symbol of national unity. And because of that, it's only prudent that he accepts to sit with the opposition to talk.
Nĩ mamenereirie ciĩko cia maabitha a borithi kũhũthĩrĩra arũrũngani hinya mũkĩru hĩndĩ ya mĩrũrũngano, no igũrũ rĩa ũguo makaririkania arĩa marabanga mĩrũrũngano ĩno atĩ nĩ wĩra wao gũtigĩrĩra matinagarara ihoto cia Kenya arĩa angĩ.
We are appalled by the alarming incidences witnessed recently where some peaceful protesters exercising their democratic right to picket were met with unnecessary force and arbitrary and unlawful arrests by the National Police Service. We acknowledge that whereas the right to protest is confined in law, it has a corresponding duty. In short, kuna haki na majukumu.
We lose an estimated 3 billion shillings every day as a result of demonstrations. That's massive destruction of the economy. We've seen lots of lives being lost, extrajudicial killings and police using excessive force and live bullets.
Na kuona ũritũ wa mũtũrĩre nĩ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa marehetio ũrugarĩ ũrĩa ũrĩ bũrũri-inĩ. Thirikari nĩ ĩhoetwo kũrora kerĩ ũkinyanĩria wa watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka wa 2023.
The Finance Act 2023, if implemented as is, will increase the cost of the different basic commodities through punitive taxes, including the doubling of the value-added tax on fuel to 16%.
No mokereire atongoria arĩa makoretwo magĩtuhuka mĩario ya irumi na rumena makimaririkania mabatie kũhũthĩra iturwa iria mahetwo na njĩra ya kĩharĩro.
Leaders should use their positions responsibly, promote unity, understanding and constructive dialogue rather than adding fuel to the flames of unrest. It is vital for the nation's stability and prosperity that leaders act as beacons of hope and reason.
Mĩario ĩno yũkĩte rĩrĩa atongoria a Azimio One Kenya manyitĩrĩire mũrũgamo wao wa gũgatwarithia mĩrũrũngano ya gũtetia thirikari Jumatano kiumia kĩroka. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.